Hi there Platinum Traders, welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name is Aaron Uppel, I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Institute and I'm here to take you through today's video. Now, today's video we are going to be doing a slightly different one as well as the same one we usually do. We're going to be explaining to you about the strategy that we use for the news trades, and we're also going to be taking you through the review of the trades that are triggered in for the week. So the reason for doing the strategy on the news trades is because next week, as I'm sure all of you know, is that we have the CPI inflation figure coming out for the GBP on the Wednesday, and as this event has played sort of havoc with the GBP in the past, just coming out 0.1% or 0.2% less or more than what was forecast really can make the market move a lot of volatility can occur around the time of that event. In addition to that, we've also got the FOMC meeting minutes that are occurring on that same day but in the evening, coming out of the US. So we're going to be explaining to you guys a little bit how you can take advantage of those two events. Just to show you those, just bring those up on the Forex Factory for you. We can see just in there, if I just make that there and there, you can see we've got the CPI year on year here, and we've got the FOMC meetings just there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, firstly, I'm going to show you the trades that have triggered in. If you haven't watched our videos already, you'll know that we also provide trading analysis on our online trading floor. That's where we provide our sort of daily charts, our intraday trades. Just to show you that, that's actually just this floor here. You scroll on down with our daily charts coming through here, intraday trades, fundamental views, individual currency pair analysis. So that's something that's really useful for all of our clients. But this is where our day trading entries are actually traded each and every week. So these particular levels are provided to you, each and every morning, really. So, you can trade it around any full-time job. It doesn't really matter. As long as you've got 15 minutes spare in the morning where you can place orders, then it's going to be sufficient for you. Now, for these particular orders, they're very simple to place. You'll see that you've got lots of buy and sell zones on that particular chart. Okay. Now, what we do is that we effectively cherry pick or select the zones that we want to trade. So you'll see next to certain zones they're actually labelled major cap. Yeah, you see here, major cap blue line. You can see it's labelled just in here. So that's effectively the zone that we're looking to trade for that particular day. So regardless of any other zones hit, we don't trade them. Okay. So we can see that on this particular day, this would be in the Wednesday, you can see the major cap comes in onto this particular zone, and you can see you get a really easy, nice reversal there of in excess of 25 points, which is the minimum amount we go for on these intraday trades. You then have another which occurs on the Australian dollar. We actually had 2 or 3 trigger on the Aussie dollar this week. We had a buy zone trigger in here. This was on the Tuesday. We then had a sell zone trigger in here on the Wednesday. We had a sell zone trigger in here on the Thursday. Again, on the Kiwi, we had the sell zone trigger in there yesterday. So now that we've gone through the recap of those trades, that's 5 intraday trades, 25 pips each, that's 125 pips in the market. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the news trading strategy, and if you want to find out a little bit more, I'll show you how you can actually get free access to the system, the analysis, and a mentor on a free consultation call. But the intraday trading strategy, at the time of the event, we'd actually look to use the algorithm to help us with reversal entry. So we don't try and catch the spike, because the spike is it can be very volatile trying to catch a spike. So we look to catch the reversals more often on those types of events. And the way to do that is that we use a certain number of zones on the algorithm. So usually it's the third zone that we trade. So what I mean by that is that, for example, you've got sell zone 1, sell zone 2, sell zone 3. So it'd be the third sell zone. If that was to come into play through that type of event, then that's a trading entry that you could take as a reversal, okay, through that specific event. Vice versa with the buy zones as well. So in regards to those particular trading entries, It's a very, very easy type of strategy to use, and like I said, if you want access to this trading strategy, then all you've got to do is you go to our website, platinumtradinginstitute.com. If you see on the top left hand corner there, it says 2-day training workshop. Basically means free consultation. So if you leave your details in there, you'll get free access to the system, the analysis, whilst you're on the phone call to a mentor, and you can essentially see how it's going to work for you around your lifestyle, and how many pips it can produce for you on a daily basis. You know, if you're looking at 125 pips this week, traded at just half a lot, one lot. You know, you're talking about 500 to $1,000. You know, in a week's work for not much time at all being put into it. So, you know, please do leave your details with us if you do want to learn a little bit more about the news trading strategy as well for next week before the Wednesday. Okay, because obviously CPI is on Wednesday and the FOMC is on Wednesday. So if you want to learn about those events before Wednesday, please do leave your details for us to get in touch with you early next week. But of course, you know, before you go, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the video to obviously keep in tune with what we're doing. And don't forget to leave your details. And we wish everyone an absolutely wonderful weekend and hope everyone enjoys the sunshine. Thank you.